A very happy Monday or Tuesday, your second to last Monday and Tuesday of the school year, 7th through science students. Good morning or good afternoon, whenever you're working on your science today. Today you're exploring photosynthesis again, and you're working with a NetLogo simulation called Chloroplasts and Food. You're going to be looking at changing variables that include the number of chloroplasts that you have in a cell, the initial number of carbon dioxides that you have in a cell, the water flow through a leaf, and the intensity of the light that is actually impacting on the plant cells in nature. Remember that you can only change one variable at a time. So we're only going to change the chloroplasts to begin. Let's say I want to use that one as my one independent variable that I'm going to change. All the other variables need to remain the same. And these are our dependent variables, what we're measuring: carbon dioxide molecules, oxygen molecules, and sugar molecules. To begin, let's start at 2 chloroplasts to begin. I need to be sure my model is in the pause stage. I want to press setup. That will bring me to 2 chloroplasts in my model, and I press go. This 2000 should always stay at 2000, and this check mark should always be check mark, so that you can automatically stop it at 2000 when it hits 2000 ticks. This bar right here will change the pace of your model. Notice how it got much slower, and it gets much faster by this. I've reached 2000, so I go to my data table, and you can always use Dualis to split your screen. Now I have my data table up. Initially, I've started with chloroplasts. My carbon dioxide molecules are now 60. Oxygen molecules right here are 40. And I have 6 sugar molecules. Now, I need to run this 3 times. Remember, the more trials we have, the more accurate and precise our data can be. So I'm going to go back here. I'm going to make sure it's paused, set it up again, and press go. Notice you also have a graph here that's allowing you to see visually what's happening to the carbon dioxide and the oxygen and sugar. I've reached my 2000 at this point in time. There we go. So I have 52 oxygen molecules and 8 sugar molecules. And I have to do this one more time with the exact same set of variables. I'm going to press pause, set it up again, and go. And I've reached 2000 at this point in time. So now I have 46 carbon dioxide. I have 54. Now I need to average my numbers together. So I'm going to take my data and take 60. Divided by 3. Okay. Divided by 3. That I end up with an average of 52.6. Sugar molecules, and then I'm going to change my variable. I'm keeping it in terms of chloroplasts. So I go back to my model and I'm going to change it to 4, let's say. And then I need to run 3 trials with 4 chloroplasts. Pause, set up. You'll notice now I have 4 chloroplasts, and go. You'll collect your data. You'll do this again for 4 chloroplasts 2 more times for trials 2 and 3, and then you'll find the averages. You then have to do one more change for the number of chloroplasts. Up to you how many you want to do.